Hello to everyone from Sergio Vini. Today I'm gonna do a video tutorial. We're gonna show you how you can multiply your earnings with the effect of compounding inside Bitnest. So before I start, let's put a disclaimer. So before we begin, a quick note: everything I share in this video is for informational purpose only and does not constitute a financial advice. It is based on my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it is so important to stay informed. Always do your research before making any decision. Okay, so this is not a presentation, this is just a tutorial to show you how you can multiply the earnings we are all having inside Bitnest. I remind you that Bitnest is a real ecosystem, a smart contract that it is paying since 2 years and 3 months non-stop. Okay, so if you don't know Bitnest, you have to join my YouTube channel. You will have some video in English and some video in Italian because I have followers from Italy also. So, but the video that I suggest to have a look in case you are interested, there is this one, which is the official presentation with cartoons. Then you have this other one, which I show you how to get started. You can see here they are going to put 10,000 USDT to get back after 20 days 24%. Then I'm going to show you, okay? Then you have this one, which is security is always first. You will see how Bitnest has been audited by Certic, the #1 firm of auditing, which is, working with Bitnest, all the biggest one, okay? And then you got a business plan. You will have some other videos because as we go further, I'm gonna do more video. Of course, under any video you have my link to join. Okay, then you will have my contact here in Telegram. In case you have Telegram, you can send me a message by saying, look, I saw your video, I got this question, I got this problem. If you don't have Telegram and you want to contact me on Facebook, this is my Facebook profile. I suggest to you that first you send me a friend request and then a message. Because if you send me a message without asking me to be a friend, Facebook is going to send your message on the spam. Okay? So let's go right away. So I'm going to do this for the people advanced because all the people that are all earning here. Okay, let's go here on loop. Okay, just a second. Let's go here on profit. Okay, so we already know, I've done already some videos, that here we earn completely passive. Okay, if you don't want to recruit, you don't recruit anyone. So if we put our USDT for 1 day, we get 0.4%. If we put our liquidity, we don't give our liquidity to anyone, we give it in the blockchain and we can see it. I did so many videos, okay? We get the 4%. Everything we get in automatically. You can be at the beach, at the mountain, whatever you want to be. The system automatically is going to give you your principal plus your interest. So if you put your liquidity for 14 days, you will have the principal plus 9.5% in your wallet, okay? If you put it for 28 days, you will have 24%, okay? So let's go and have a look if you compound, okay? So this is what you can do. So we know that 99.99% of all the investment you see out there, crypto or non-crypto, they minimum, lock your money, lock your fund, lock your crypto for 1 year, 2 or 3. Here is excellent. The maximum is 28 days. So the people that can come in, they just dip their feet in the water, they can start, they can test, and then when they feel confident, if they want to go, they go. I remind you that this system is proof. I've done some video, I'll show you inside the blockchain. It's been running non-stop, without a glitch, without no problem, for 2 years and 3 months. Okay, you will not find anyone, no one that hasn't been paid by the contract. Okay, when you put your USDT here, you don't give it to anyone, you give it to the blockchain, and the system works. Okay, so let's go and have a look if you compound, because this video is just for that. Okay, so we see, let's do the example of of the 28 days. Okay, if you put, this is 10,000, if you put 1,000, a small amount, $1,000, 1,000 USDT for 28 days, you get 24%. But what about if you, after the 28 days, you re-inject your money and what you have gained inside, and you do that for 1 year. Okay, if you do that for 1 year, you will get a whopping 1,638%. So if you put the equivalent for $1,000 and you want to do the compounding, each time you earn whatever you earn and the principal, you put it back, you on $1,000 you will have $16,380. This is unbelievable. So many people approach me, and they tell me, look, I want to do a strategy that I want to get back my money as soon as possible. This is a good strategy, because you never know in life. Okay, so let's go and have a look how much time you will need here without recruiting, without doing anything, to get your principal, and then if you want, you reinject, you invest, whatever you ever earned. So I prepared this small, picture. This is an example with $1,000. Okay, so if we put it for 28 days, which is 24%, $1,000 the first 28 days is not even a month. Okay, you will get 1,240. So as we already talked about, because we are talking about compounding here, you reinject all that, and after 28 days you will have $1,537. If you reinject all that, you will have $1,906. This is in just 84 days. We have nearly, $94 left. We nearly recoup our principal, okay, in 84 days. But if we go for another 28 days, okay, sorry, I put the G here, 28 days, we will have a whopping $2,364. We will have that in a total of 3 months and 22 days. So we have recoup our capital, plus we have on the side earned $364. So this is the power of compounding that we can use inside Bitnest. And this is to answer the people that they contact me, and they already sign up and everything. They contact me, on private, and they tell me, this is good strategy. Of course, you want to recoup as fast as you can your principal. As you can see, even if you don't, even if you are not active, if you don't promote and anything, in less the 4 months, you recoup your money, plus you have earned $364. Okay, so this is the power of compounding. So if you don't know Bitnest, I already told you, join my channel here. You got all my contact here. You can contact me with any question you have. Please, when you contact me, don't say hello, bye, how are you, because I don't know you. You know, I don't answer. Okay, you can tell me, look, I saw video number 2, number 3. I got this question. Okay, I'm here to assist you. Okay, so then let's go and look. This is my link. Here's my link to get started. You got HTTPS. Of course, the link is on the description of every video, and this is the code. So when you go under the video, you click on it, and you can see, okay, the link. So you will see the video, you know, when I started with $10,000, the other one. Let's go. I'm going to connect the wallet, so I'm going to show you, because many people, they tell you things, but then they don't do it, you know. Many people, I'm afraid, they are fake, okay? So yeah, connect my wallet here. As you can see, here I have this one, $10,000. I got 23 days left. I have done already some videos, some in Italian, I don't remember, but anyway, the money, when you see the money in Italian, in Japanese, in Arab, it's all the same. You see this is automatically, boom, goes to my MetaMask, okay? I will do another one also in English to show you, you know, live. So this one, when the days are over, I can be, you know, buy some errands, in the mountain or at the sea or whatever. This automatically goes to my wallet. So this one, I got 23 days and 20 hours left. I put $10,000, 10,000 USD. I will get back $12,400. So I will have earned $2,400. Maybe is a wage of, maybe it's a little wage. I don't know how much you earn. Okay. This goes automatically to my wallet, okay? So anything you want to know, contact me, you know, after you see the video. I'll be happy to assist you. Have a lovely day.